Hi there, I'm Danny from TCL, and today I'm going to guide you through the proper installation of the exhaust window duct for your TCL portable air conditioner. Let's get started. First and foremost, when using the cool mode, it's essential to position the appliance near a window or an opening. This allows the warm exhaust air to be directed outside, ensuring efficient cooling. Before we begin, make sure to place your unit on a flat surface. Ensure there's at least 45 centimetres of clearance around the unit. Also, it should be close to a power source. Step 1. Extend either side of the hose like this. Step 2. Now, screw the hose inlet in place. Step 3. Extend the other end of the hose and attach it to the hose outlet. Step 4. Install the hose inlet into the unit, ensuring a secure fit. Step 5. Affix the hose outlet into the window slider kit and make sure it's sealed properly. The window slider kit is designed to fit most standard windows, both vertical and horizontal. However, depending on your window type, you might need to make slight modifications. If your window opening is smaller than the window slider kit, you can cut the end without the hole to fit. But remember, never cut out the hole in the window slider kit. For the window slider kit installation, you'll have two panels, one plain panel and one with a hole. You'll also have screws to lock the window kit in place. Slide panel B into panel A and adjust it to fit your window's width. Once sized correctly, lock the screw into the corresponding holes, ensuring a snug fit without any gaps. And that's it! With these steps, you'll successfully set up the exhaust window duct for your TCL portable air conditioner. Enjoy a cooler environment, and thank you for choosing TCL. Thanks for watching, and stay cool.